In this video, I will demonstrate the various features of my 15112 project, Bullet Armageddon. What you're seeing now is the landing page upon first opening up the game. Next, we can look at the instructions page, which is split into single player mode and two player mode because of the different controls and features within each mode. First, we'll look at the single player mode. In this mode, you control an animated player sprite with either the mouse or the keyboard. The objective of the mode is to defeat the enemies that come from the top of the screen and dodge their bullets. This is a power-up that strengthens your weapon by making it larger and thus easier to hit enemies with. You start out the game with 3 lives and 3 bombs, although for demo purposes I have given myself extra. The only way to get more bombs and more lives is by collecting power-ups such as this. This one gives you an extra life, an extra bomb. Bombs in this game clear all of the on-screen enemies and bullets, giving you more time to recuperate and get stronger. In this game there are 3 main types of enemies. The first type of enemy is the standard enemy, which moves downwards and shoots 3 bullets in a cone. The second type of enemy shoots blue bullets in a circle around it, and moves down slowly as well. The third type of enemy moves across the screen from left to right, and shoots homing missiles that track the player's location. As you traverse the game, eventually you'll encounter a boss with 4 distinct modes. In the first mode, the boss shoots bullets in a spiral around it and tries to hit you while remaining stationary. Once you do enough damage, he'll switch to the second mode, which he begins moving left and right across the screen. In this mode, he also fires 2 different types of bullets. The first type of bullet radiates downwards in a cone, while the second type of bullet expands as it moves across the screen. In the third mode, the boss will go into a frenzy and try to attack the player by moving rapidly across the screen. Any collisions with the boss during this mode will result in the loss of a life. After this, the boss will move into his final stage, where he moves left and right across the screen again and shoots bullets that split up into 4 smaller but faster bullets as they move across the screen. Once you finally defeat the boss, you can enter your name here. Your name will be tracked and placed into a leaderboard of high scores, which is permanent and persists across multiple game instances. My game also supports both local 2-player mode and server-based multiplayer. So in this video I will demonstrate the server-based multiplayer. In order for this to function, you actually need 2 separate files. The first is the main file which hosts the server, and the second is the client file which represents a view for the users who are playing the game. Essentially, the server side has all of the game functionality running, while the client side takes this data and presents it to the viewer. In order to actually access the server mode, you have to go back to the main menu and click on the server button. Here, a text box pops up where you can enter the address of your server, which by default is localhost 8000. Once you enter the address, you then have to go to separate clients and enter the same address for each of those. Once both players have connected, then the game begins to run in 2-player mode. In this mode, much of the game functionality is similar to the first player mode, except since there are 2 player sprites, each one is different and has a different animation. Furthermore, the 2 players have separate powers, lives, and bombs, but have the same total score. In this game mode, one player can still survive if the other one loses all of its lives, and the game only ends when both players have lost all of their lives. And with that, I conclude this video, and I thank you for watching.